Hi, you're welcome to another episode of Ask the Trichologist. My name is Atilola, and I am the certified trichologist at African Naturalistas Hair Clinic. Ask the Trichologist is that program where we answer all your hair and scalp questions. Whatever you ask us, as long as it has to do with hair and scalp, we are going to answer you. We got you covered. And at African Naturalistas, what we do is we help you achieve your goal of healthy hair naturally using hair products, hair consultations, regimens, memberships, clinical services, and so many things. So before we go on to today's topic, what I want you to do is please like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell and comment in the comment section. Just say something nice or something encouraging to us, something that will make us know you are learning something from this channel or you are learning a lot of things from this channel. So this week I'm going to be talking about the myth of locks based on the question we got last week from one of our viewers, Chire, who asked me to explain the pros and cons of locks. If you have not watched that video, you might want to pause on this one, go back and watch last week's video. I will drop the link to last week's video in the description box below, and then you can watch it. And then you come back to this one, and I'll be ready for you. So today we are going to be talking about the myth of locks because it's very important that you understand this myth before you go ahead and make the decision to lock your hair or not to lock your hair. So the first myth is that locks are actually lower maintenance or you will not have to care for your hair as much when you wear your locks. That's not the truth. The truth is that whether your hair is free or is locked, you still need to care for your hair. You need to moisturize your hair daily. You need to seal it with the right products. You need to do what you want to do to make your hair long, healthy, and luscious. Only if you don't want healthy locks will you say, okay, now that my hair is locked, I'm going to abandon it. As long as you want healthy, long, luscious locks, then you need to care for your hair. You need to moisturize it. You need to seal it. You need to do everything you need to do to make those locks look good. And then you cannot abandon your hair. The second myth is that, oh, your hair is not going to break. Oh my gosh. This one took me aback. I felt like, oh, I'm not going to experience breakage after all. You just lock in the hair and all the locks will be attached. They will be, meshed together. I will not see any breakage. Your hair is going to break. Your hair is going to break. You're going to see broken strands of hair on the floor. The looser your curls are, your natural curls are, then the more breakage you will experience. And for people with tightly wound, curls, you will experience less breakage, but you will still experience breakage, whether your curls are loose or your curls are tight. It is part of life. It is part of, just the way death is part of life, just the way taxes are part of life, just the way hair growth, childbirth, and everything is part of life. Breakage on your hair, no matter the way your hair is, will occur on your hair and on your locks. So there's nothing you're doing wrong. Your hair is going to break just like when your hair was free, right? And then the third myth is that you will experience no shrinkage. Oh no, you're going to experience shrinkage. I can assure you that, in fact, what actually locks your hair tight is shrinkage. Without shrinkage, you cannot have locks. So the whole art of palm rolling the hair is actually intentionally shrinking your hair strands, right? To lock together. So you might be wondering, oh, this is 3 years. I can't see any hair growth in my locks. I can't see anything in my lock. My hair has not grown. The hair is going to be shrunken intentionally, and then it will swell. And then when the weight of gravity, everything has come down, it is going to fall back. That's how locks actually work. Locked hair is shrunken hair. Locked hair is shrunken hair. So if you are going to locks because you want to see length, you don't want the shrinkage that you were seeing when your hair was free, you are in for a surprise because it will even be more when your hair is locked. This is locked hair. It is actually wound together. This is wound together. This is all my hair and it is shrunk together. That's why it is called locked hair. So do not say you don't want to see shrinkage. You are going to see shrinkage. Now, what do I want you to do? I want you to just take this. When you see these three things, I don't want you to be shocked. I don't want you to be surprised. These are myths about locks, and I'm here to dispel those myths for you. So before we go today, I want you to please Check the description box below for our hair care courses, whether you want to grow your hair like a pro, whether you want to overcome hair loss, whether you want to take the ultimate hair growth course, overcome scalp disorders, or learn about hair science in the Hair Science Made Easy. Please check out our flagship hair care courses in the description box below, and take any of them depending on your hair and scalp goal. So what I want you to do right now is like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, share this video with your friend, and comment in the comment section. Whether you want to ask questions publicly or you want to send an email to us privately using att@africannaturalistas.com, I would love to hear from you. So like, subscribe, share, click on the notification bell, and comment in the comment section. Till I come your way again in the next episode of Ask the Trichologist, I will see you. Bye.